Hi there, this is the th sound, as in the words thing, think, and through. The th sound comes from the consonant pairs group, and it's called the voiceless dental fricative. This means that you create friction between the tongue and the top teeth. The th sound is made through the mouth and it's unvoiced, which means you don't use your vocal cords to make the sound. It's defined by the position of your tongue and teeth. It's a fricative sound which is made by high pressure airflow going between a narrow space in the mouth. In this case, it's the space between the tip of your tongue and your top teeth. To produce the sound, you have to stick your tongue out a little bit. This can feel very unnatural to some people who aren't used to it, but it is essential to produce the sound correctly. So, rest your top teeth on your tongue and then force air out through the teeth. The sound is normally spelled with the letters TH, as in the words three, something, month, and both. Here are some words that begin with the th sound. Thank, third, thousand, and throw. Here are some words with the th sound in the middle. Nothing, anything, author, and method. Here are some words with the th sound at the end. Health, north, truth, and mouth. So that's it for the th sound, but we've made additional videos on each of the groups of sounds, vowels, diphthongs, single consonants, and consonant pairs, as well as a video explaining the overall phonetic chart. You can also click on any of the symbols behind me to see a similar video with lots of examples and an explanation of how to produce that sound. At the English Language Club, we also offer live online classes via Skype or Google Hangouts. To make a booking with me or one of our other teachers, visit our website. You can also follow us on Twitter and Facebook. So please do get in touch. We'd love to hear from you.